quick checkup. It's raining. You can't really see the rain that good. But what you can see is that creek down there. Very muddy. I'm not going to get that close to it because I might fall in and get swept away. But I just wanted to show you that. Woo! Alright, we're here finally, and I did not record in landscape mode when I got struck by lightning, and it's still raining, yet, like I said, we are here. So this is the gift shop, and this is where you board the boat. Alright everybody, we have just finished going rafting. As you can see, I got different shoes on. Before I had some water shoes, kind of like these except gray, but yeah, it's not raining as bad. Yeah, it's rushing right now. We just got back, and it's thundering. Wow. Yeah, man, that's wow. Look at how fast that's going. Yeah. I lost my, not lost it, I forgot to bring it yesterday, again, but I only went to an aquarium. So yeah, we didn't do much. And so, after a ton of playing arcade games, this is what I have from Candy, from downtown Flavortown. Woo, yeah!
Like, subscribe and click that bell for more videos.